The day has finally arrived. Your new SteelMaster building is here. When your SteelMaster building arrives, here's what you can expect. First, you will meet the driver and review paperwork, including settling the remaining balance, if applicable. Next, the driver will remove the tarp, prepping your materials for offloading. This particular model is an S model 12x10. From there, you can carefully move the materials to your preferred storage spot until you're ready to start construction. Most deliveries depend on three things: the size of your building, the equipment you have available, and the number of people helping with the offload. The offloading of a smaller building like the one shown should take about a half an hour with 2 to 4 people. Once the materials are offloaded, the driver will provide you with a bill of lading, a detailed checklist to help confirm that all items in your order have arrived as expected. We recommend reviewing the checklist during and again after the offload has been completed. Once you've signed the bill of lading, the driver will be on their way, and you'll be one step closer to constructing your new SteelMaster building.